Welcome to another video. If it's your first time here, my name is Michy, and in this video I'm just going to show you, I'm just going to be getting ready for the day, and so you get to watch me do this eye look. Ready with me, I'm going to be using the Juvia chocolates, the chocolates by Juvia. This is also one of the palettes that I tend to gravitate towards during hats because of the brown. For the transition shade, I'm going to go with this very light brown right here, and I'm going to use this fluffy brush. My other the brush that I really love is currently dirty, it needs to be cleaned. So we're just going to tap it on. As you can see, the shade is as light as my setting. I think it's even lighter. I don't even think it's being built up, but it has some sort of shimmer. Never noticed that before. Or has there been some transfer? As usual, you know the drill. Because of my hooded eyes, we are just going to go above the fold. Tap it on like so. Good. And then I'm going to go into this brown right here, and I'm going to put it on the outer V. Is it recording? Let's see. It's also quite pigmented. One thing about Juvia's place, don't mess with their shades. Very pigmented, very much pigmented. So we're putting this in the outer V. Very dark brown, almost looks like black, but it's a very dark brown. We're not going to take this dark brown all the way till the middle. We're going to leave it right here. But if you want to, change it up, you could do this outer V in this brown and also the inner V, and then maybe add a shimmer in the middle. That also looks great. For the lid shade, we're going to go into this brown, and okay, perfect. I'm really trying to be fast because I don't want the boys to wake up. And then that's it. As I always say in my other videos, but be very careful with the dark shades, because like now you see I'm being quite careful not to go with this brush onto the dark brown, because then I'm going to be transferring it, and as you can see I'm really going to that point, like I'm really following my eyeball, yeah, to place the lid shade. It's gonna look good after you blend it out. For now, maybe it's looking questionable, but after you blend it out, it's gonna look great. you really want to tap on until you get the desired intensity. So now I'm going all the way here, because now I know I'm not going back. I've turned it around. So I'm going to go in with the brush that I used on this shade, and I'm not going to add any product, and I'm just gonna try and blend it so as to avoid this line of demarcation. And we're not taking it completely into the, like it's just halfway. We're gonna do the same on this side. I don't know, I like the way this eye looks more than this one. It is what it is. Then we're going to take this fluffy brush from before and I'm going in between the shades, the dark shade and the brown, just to make sure there's no harsh line of demarcation. What I'm not liking is here. Let me get another brush. Better. Okay. Good. I'm going to take this smudging brush and I'm going to go to this dark browns, the darkest brown, and I'm just going to smudge it on my eyelid like so, and try and blend it out a little bit. Okay, I don't know if it's being built on the camera, but I can see it. So this is the complete eye look. And we are ready for the day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button. Catch you in the next one. Bye.